the FattyPack. Check this thing out. So drop that one. So this one has basically it's a fanny pack for your hat. That's what they're calling it. So it's a little pouch. You put stuff in there, money, whatever you want, and you wrap it around the back of your hat. So this is another color. And you can open this up and you can store stuff in there. It has this tether so it won't fall off of your hat. And you basically just put it on like that. You don't have to put this on your hat. You could just basically loop this around something inside your bag and keep money, coins, whatever you want in there. Comes in a couple different colors. So there's like the camo, there's like the retro and the black. This is the bag it comes in. The bag it comes in is actually pretty cool. And each one of them comes with like an instructions on how it works. Basically, it shows you, how to put it on the back of your hat. You basically just put it on the back of the hat, you wrap it around there and Velcro it together like that. Okay. Tether to your keychain. Oh, you can also tether it to your keychain. And it also comes with a sticker. So really neat little guys here. I'll kind of put the size of them. I think that's kind of important. They are 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches by 3.1/8. Okay, so they're small, but they're meant to go on the back of your bag. I wish I had these when I went to Cancun because I always had this hat on in the pool, and it would have been nice just to have some cash or something like that to tip like the bartenders and things like that, because it's really annoying to try to manage cash when you're at an all-inclusive. Or at a resort. So this is actually going to be a very welcomed addition to my travel kit, and I have a couple different colors. So awesome.